Hey guys, so I got this Velcro on my bed here, and yeah, I know it's all Velcroed up. That thing goes to my fan, which is my fan there, my remote control. Sometimes I stick my iPad up on this thing so I can watch it on my TV. I can watch it like a TV, and so these Velcro things are really neat. I know it's really chaotic, so I just slapped it on, whatever. Like, anyways, I stick my little thing there, so I watch crazy ass whatever stuff. Check out my social media. I can watch angry black women disrespect men, fits of rage. Yeah, I can be in the safety of my own home. I don't even have to go to Walmart to experience the drama. I can see people at Walmart getting outrageous. Yeah, you pay for it. And then stuff like that. Yeah, something cute. Let's see. So, watching these videos, on 1 minute you get something really cute, and then you get like these crazy this cute stuff, this violent stuff. It's like a mix. Okay, now I'm thirsty.